Okay. Safety first, right? Safety first. Alright. Oh boy. How's this gonna work? Huh. How safe can this be? We are about to find out. Oh, and there we go! Whoa! Round and round we go! Where it stops, nobody knows. Oh! Alright! Who needs a... Oh, it looks like a big dick. Who needs a Red River X? You gotta give us some up and down. Oh, we're going up. Oh, oh shit. Oh, that's fucking funny. Oh, oh, is he gonna dump me? Oh, going down. Uh-oh. He's just fucking loving this. You dick. Hey. Uh-oh. Where are we going? Right in the mud? Fucker. Yeah, dump me in the dirt. And we're off. Woo! Oh shit! Woo! Oh god, this is great. You have spent your turn, sir.